Corpse, why are you giving me these shells?
I don't like them, Mother.
Too damn bad.
Why would you do that?
I can't give a straight face for that.
I don't like these snap pea shells, Mother. They disgust me.
Why?
They disgust me.
How so?
They taste weird. I don't know.
That's an amazing explanation, honey.
They taste terrible, Mother. Why would you do that to me? That rubbed my foot. Mother. It rubbed my foot. Oh. Mother, why would you do that?
I can't.
I can't do that. What the fuck was that for?
I'm doing the flicky light.
Oh, the flicky light.
Fuck you. Damn it, I missed.
Yeah. Nice job, Mother. You missed. Ow! That hurt! Ouchie!
I'm gonna throw this one away.
Yeah, throw that one away. Mother, throw it away. It was on my foot. What the fuck? What in the fuck if?
It's the throwing beam.
Please don't throw it at me, Mother. Guys, help. I'm being abused by my mother. With fucking snappy shell. She's abusing me. No. What was that for?
You fucking knew.
What the fuck is this bullshit? What is this bullshit?
That's some bullshit right there.
That's some real bullshit right there. 3 more. Let's see.
It's like blind packs.
Oh, I can already tell these ones are shit. Mother, why did you get me these shit ones?
They're shitty peas, man. They were cheap.